Let's take a look at using the Google Maps basic embed. So this is a replacement for the built-in Adobe Muse Google Maps widget, which will no longer work without an API key. So if I've gone ahead and installed the library from MuseGrid, we can see we've got our Google Maps embed here. I'm just going to click on that and drag it onto the page. When we drag it onto the page, I've already put an API in this one, but I'm just going to put that new API key in there, and I can set my address that I want to use in there. So I can just put an address separated by commas, whatever your address needs to be, and I can choose my zoom level. I can choose the type of map that I want to use, and I can also select the language that I want the various bits of map data to appear in. So that's all very powerful. That's great that I can change all of those settings there. So that basically gives you everything you need to just place a map on the page. And because it's using the basic API configuration, this won't impact any quota. This is using the iframe method, and Google in their information tells us that these capabilities or connections, API connections, are not charged. So this is a really good one to use to replace the built-in Adobe Muse widget or any basic mapping widget. It's still fully responsive. So if I change it to, if I change the resize to responsive width, for example, and then if we go and preview, we can see that the map is fully responsive. And we can also do a full stretch to browser width. So we have all of those capabilities still. This is just the basic widget. So very straightforward to use there. So now that we've seen how to use this widget, let's go and take a look at the custom Google Maps embed widget.